This video answers the question how to buy shares of High Trend International Group, an advanced electronics manufacturer that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker HTCO. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To place the trade, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as the example platform to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify the account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HTCO to find the listing quickly. Make sure you select the High Trend International Group entry that trades on NASDAQ. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Confirm the company name and NASDAQ listing to ensure it's the correct stock. Press Invest. Enter the amount you want to commit, review the details, and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order will be queued or executed when it reopens, depending on your order type. If you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it finalizes the trade. You will see your new position listed in your portfolio once the order fills or the trade is processed. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform used in this demonstration.